What's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be on how much I spend every month to own my F80 M3. Now I've owned the car for 3 months now, so I'm just gonna be doing a video on the reoccurring payments that I have to do every month on this car, like gas and the payment and random stuff like that. I'm not gonna do kind of one-offs, but I will talk a little bit about those as they come up. So let's go right into the first one, which is the car payment, because that is the biggest one I have to pay every month because I did take out a loan on the car. So that car payment is $486 a month to own this car and drive it every day. I do have one of the lowest APR financing rates that you can get for a used car of this year. That is what the credit union lady told me on the phone, and I kind of did some research on my own and found that out, so that is a plus. So $486 is really not bad. I wanted to, when I was shopping around for this car, I wanted to keep my payments under $500 a month. Anything over that, and it was just going to be not worth it in my opinion for what I was getting out of it. So yeah, I mean, also I just got back from the car wash and it is looking so clean right now. Which brings me to my next item, which is gas. Because I'm driving the car so much, I'm spending a lot on gas, and I'm putting premium 91 octane in it, and so it's very expensive. Gas literally is going up every week, and so my price on that a month is $215. So far. That's kind of an average that I've calculated. So that brings us to a total of $701 so far. The third most expensive thing I spend money on each month to own this car is insurance, because you cannot drive legally on the roads here in the US without car insurance, and that is going to be $216 every month. But if you pay up front for like 6 months, you get a discount, which is what I did, but I just divided that by 6 and you get that monthly payment basically. That brings our total to $917 so far. And then for my last monthly recurring expenditure for this car is car washes, because you gotta have a nice car, you gotta keep it clean, so you don't wanna look like a, fool driving your cool car and it's just all dirty all the time. So I go to the car wash once a week, try to, and it's about $10. I go to this, touchless self-service bay area, and that's averaging out to be about $30 a month so far, maybe a little more. And guys, if you do get one of these cars, do not take it through a regular car wash. For starters, you're going to absolutely destroy your rims taking it through, because the rails on the sides are just going to curb the shit out of them. I took this through a touchless when I first got it and just destroyed the rim right there. And same with the rear, is even worse. And yeah, I know the wheels are super dirty right now. Didn't have time to clean them tonight. Rest of the car is looking amazing though. That's gonna bring our total to $947 a month for reoccurring expenses to drive this car on the road. $947 a month seems like a lot of money, but I was having to pay insurance for my last car and gas for my last car, pretty much all those things. The only difference for this one is now I have a car payment. My last car was paid off. There you have it, guys. I'm gonna keep this video short and sweet today. I know a lot of you liked the last video, me talking about numbers and what I paid for the car, so I figured why not do another one breaking down how much I actually spend on the car every month to drive it on the roads. If you're looking to get yourself an M3 and you have the budget to do it, just go ahead and do it. They are so reliable. I mean, find a well-used one that's well taken care of, and really kind of do your research on it beforehand. And that's all I gotta say. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.